Ear tinnitus, more commonly known as ringing sound in the ears, is a condition mainly characterized by chronic buzzing, ringing, chirping, or roaring sound in the ears, and those suffering from this condition definitely need to acquire tinnitus relief. The sounds can either be high or low-pitched and may be intermittent, pulsing, or constant. In some cases, tinnitus can be accompanied by sensitivity to sound. The symptoms may be annoying and can be major nuisance, but don't worry because there are natural ways to acquire tinnitus relief. Read on to know more about these natural methods for finding relief from tinnitus. 1. Acquire tinnitus relief through dietary changes. Making some dietary changes can help stop hearing ringing sounds by improving poor blood circulation, which is believed to be one of the causes of tinnitus. It is a good and healthy idea to limit your daily fat consumption by 25% of your total calorie intake. It is also a must to strictly restrict or eliminate consumption of alcohol and caffeine, as these cause mineral imbalances and inflammation on the inner ear. 2. Acquire tinnitus relief through lifestyle changes. Some lifestyle modifications such as quitting smoking and using ear protections from loud sounds and noises can help you acquire relief from tinnitus. 3. Acquire tinnitus relief through supplements. Some dietary supplements such as zinc, magnesium, vitamin B, and melatonin have been proven to help provide naturally effective tinnitus relief. According to a certain study conducted on reliefs available for tinnitus, 90 to 150 milligrams of zinc supplements a day for around 3 to 6 months can greatly improve the symptoms of tinnitus. Another study stated that 3 milligrams of melatonin taken every night can improve the symptoms of tinnitus, particularly those that manifest when a sufferer is sleeping. 4. Acquire tinnitus relief through herbs. Different herbs can help patients alleviate and cope with their tinnitus symptoms. For example, ginkgo biloba is widely used in Germany and Japan for treating poor blood circulation, which is one of the common causes of tinnitus. 40 to 80 milligrams of ginkgo biloba supplements a day for up to a month or 2 can be taken and have your condition re-evaluated. If there is improvement in the symptoms, you can continue taking the same dosage. However, you have to make sure not to take more than 240 milligrams of ginkgo biloba a day, and you should not take these supplements in conjunction with drugs used to treat blood-thinning conditions. Another common herb used to acquire tinnitus relief is the lesser periwinkle. Though proven effective, it is still best to consult first with your doctor before you decide to take these herbs. The 4 tinnitus relief options mentioned above have been proven to effectively help tinnitus patients to overcome the inconvenience and discomfort caused by tinnitus. However, it is important to remember that before trying any medication, supplements, or herbs, you should first consult with your doctor or healthcare provider to avoid any adverse side effects. If you want to learn more about tinnitus relief, then visit my website www.tinnitusrelief.net.